The topic of today's video is how to enable Authenticator app in Bingx. Alright guys, so here we are in Bingx, and what we want to do is click on the top left icon, and inside here we want to go to the security center. And now you can click on Google Authentication, but what we're going to do here is go to passkeys. And once we try to set up a passkey, it's immediately going to give us options here, and we're going to say Google Authenticator. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to click on Next if you already have Google Authenticator. Then we need to copy this key that they're going to give us. Now, I will warn you, in Google Authenticator, I will not be able to record. So in Google Authenticator, you need to click on the plus icon at the bottom right. And once you click on the plus, that is going to get you to put in the name of your Authenticator code and then paste that code that we got from Bingx. And then just leave it on time-based, and you can click continue or complete or whatever it says. And then you can click on add. All right, now once we do that, our code will be ready and we can jump back into Bingx. So we're going to click next, then we're going to click on get code, and that is going to send an email to you, and you're going to paste in the code that is emailed to you by Bingx. Then you're going to go to Google Authenticator and paste the new authenticator code in here, and you're just going to say enable. And once you're done there, all you need to do is hit complete. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do check out our next video on how to enable passkeys in Bingx, which is in the description of this video. That's why we went through this route. And I will see you in the next video.